kids, we are going to make a clock which you can either hang or place it on a table. First, you need to take a white sheet of paper, take a pen, marker, and write the numbers from 1 to 12 clockwise. You need to have the machine and the needles. Take a thermocol plate or a flat thermocol. Push the machine from the back of the thermocol so that it pops out from a head. Take a pen or a marker and draw a circle around it. You don't want your clock to look untidy. Attach the needles to the machine. Now, take a marker, write the numbers from 1 to 12 clockwise, the way you did on the paper. And your clock is ready.